Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the device and environment. This matters. Clean the front camera, set the phone or tablet at eye level and sit 5 to 1, 0 meter away. Once done, open the face lock enrollment in settings and follow prompts. Move your head slowly to capture angles. Make sure to remove accessories that obstruct features because consistent input produces reliable templates. If you register multiple lighting conditions now, later recognition will be faster and more accurate. You continue by expanding the captured data to cover typical variations. Follow the on-screen sweep, rotating your head about a 60-degree arc and nodding slightly. This teaches the system contours and depth. Once the main capture is done, add secondary enrollments, glasses, or a trimmed beard, so face lock tolerates normal changes. Make sure to also enable a PIN or fingerprint as a fallback, because environmental or hardware limits sometimes prevent facial unlock from succeeding immediately. You finish by validating and troubleshooting the system so it works reliably. Test the face lock with 5 to 10 unlock attempts across bright, dim, and mixed lighting. Observe failure patterns. If false rejects exceed about 10%, re-enroll or add alternative looks, because recaptured templates reduce errors. Make sure your OS and camera firmware are current. Finally, if unlock still fails, clean the lens, reposition device, and use the enabled PIN or fingerprint until you can reconfigure face data safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.